Hey guys, it's Lollie and I'm back with another video. So today we are going to be doing a slime video. So I have, and we're going to be making it with googly eyes. So let's see how that goes. And we have the usual Elmer's glue and some Tide. This is actually the perfect size. Somehow we managed to find it. And we have this bowl, and I guess we're just gonna get started, but I'm pretty excited. Okay, make sure that you get all of it, because if you don't, then it's not gonna turn out as well. But I'm so excited, and this Tide, you need to use either Tide or Arm & Hammer, because it actually works really good for this. So I think that I recommend you guys use this instead of just using any kind of laundry detergent. But yeah, I'm using Tide, so let me just open that up. And you gotta measure it and only use a little bit at a time, because if you don't, it's gonna turn out a catastrophe mess. And now I'm going to put it in the laundry detergent, so make sure just a little bit, a dot of it each time you put it in. Oh, and it's already filming. Okay. And then I'm going to make I think I'm going to make a purple slime today. And I'm going to put 2 drops of red and 2 drops of blue. And that was 3 drops. So then you're gonna mix it, and let's see what it makes. And this is to make it fluffy. This is, you're not supposed to put too much of it, but put as much as you need. Okay, so it's actually not that sticky, but it's sticky. Okay, so now all you have to do is just knead it for a little bit, and then it'll start not getting as sticky as it is right now. Now I'm gonna put more detergent just to make it non-sticky, but it's gonna make it stickier, so just know that. It's actually forming. So when it forms, it's the greatest thing of your life, because it's not sticky anymore. It's not that messy anymore. Just don't use it. Don't put it on your clothes. That's what you don't do in slime. Do not put it on your clothes. Then you're gonna want to add a little bit of lotion. This lotion makes it stretchy, and you want it to be stretchy because it's actually really fun when it's stretchy, because you can do so much with it, but when it's not stretchy, you can't do anything with it. It's not. Oops.
Cool.
It's it's a stage you have to go through to get this to work. It cannot be any holes in this. It could not, it can't have any holes. That's all. It's gonna be like that. Let's try something new. Now, we're gonna add some googly eyes. Not too many, but just a little bit. So ready? 3, 2, 1. It's gonna be like that. Let's try something new. Now, we're gonna add some googly eyes. Not too many, but just a little bit. So ready? 3, So comment down below, what have you put in your slime that's like this crazy? What mixtures do you use to make slime? And what do you make with your slime? Like, what colors do you do? What do you put in it? How do you make it? What do you do with it? Do you cook it a lot? Do you make bubbles with it? Oh, I can't do that anymore. Do you like to hear that sound? Do you like to just do this with it? Could you just? So, bye guys. Hope you like this video. Please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. So, hopefully you have success with your slime making. And yeah. So, I'll see you next time on Lollie's Land. Peace. Love y'all.